Marcinha. Ashku Marcinha writes, how big is the data science market and how to get a job? Well, let us know what kind of job you're looking for, right? And what are some of your motivations for joining the data science market? How big is the data science market? Well, that can be your first research as a data scientist, right? You should be able to have the research to find that. You know, whenever I get questions like this, I'm always curious about people's motivations for joining or for wanting to be a data scientist. As many of you know, if you've seen my guide for data science students, you know, I'm very passionate about data science, and I truly take it as my life's work. And I think that's one of the reasons why it comes easy to me, why I think I'm a good teacher at it, and why I enjoy making this content for you guys, because it's truly a passion. It's not just something that I'm trying out or a hobby or, you know, something I'm doing because it's a good job market. I'm doing it because I like it. So I want to make sure that the people around me are doing it for those same reasons, right?